A very good evening from India. This is Hriday Sharma. I head a think tank, Caucasus Asia Center, which is registered as a non-profit, non-partition body in New Delhi. And I would like to highlight India-Russia relationship, its significance, and how that contributes towards a greater prosperity at the world stage and in regions surrounding both countries. So, as we all know, India and Russia shares a long-standing friendship over many decades, like even when the former Soviet Union was present, and how that relationship has transformed and translated into what it stands to today, as in a very strategic relationship. And not just things happening at the bilateral level, both countries are cooperating towards doing business in third countries and also in other regions. And I see there is great scope for both India and Russia to collaborate in projects, in especially infrastructure projects in Central Asian countries, whether it's Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, etc. Primarily in oil and gas sector, as India is a highly energy consuming country, and although Russia has loads of oil to export into other countries, like exporting oil from countries in Central Asia, that is produced in Central Asia, could be economically more profitable. And so, other than that, I also would like to highlight the point that in today's changing global scenario, which has been hit by a massive pandemic around the world, India Russia relations can blossom. Uh, the relationship between these two very prominent countries, fast developing economies, can definitely contribute towards global peace and also peace in other regions, which is a very needed component today. So, nothing much to say, but as I just mentioned, peace in the sense humanitarian relief, and also maybe peacekeeping forces within Eurasia or even beyond. So, I think there is great prospect to scale up a relationship between both countries. Thank you, Spasiba, Namaste. Thank you from India once again. Bye bye.